Hi, my name is Julia. We're at St. Paul Place, where, as you know, Velo IT Group is located on the 11th floor. Follow me and we'll go for a quick tour. Here we are at the 11th floor, Velo IT Group. Now the first space you'll see is our conference area. Let's see if we can interrupt them really quick. All right, and as we walk over here, this is where our main director's offices are. And then our boss, Taylor Toss's office. Now as we go on over here, this will be our sales and marketing area and project team. We have Caleb, hard at work on the phones, and our sales executive, Ryan.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Now this is where our project team normally is, but right now they're on site. Here we have our marketing coordinator, Allie, and one of our hardworking project engineers, Scott. As you can see, we have a bit of fun with our quarterly initiatives. And then this is where I'm at, our accounting office. Now follow me and we'll go on over to the support side. Every morning at 9:33, the entire team comes together to meet with each of the strength, support, strategy. We talk about wins and stucks and anything that we might need to touch base on as a team. And now we're on the support side. First, we have our awesome coordinators over here, and then we have our strength pod along with our sales support coordinator. This is where our support engineers are, taking calls, and as you can see, we track our metrics on the screens in front. All right, you guys, that's Velo IT Group. Thanks for coming along for the tour.